In today's video, I will teach you how to generate YouTube titles using Canva's magic right. Let's get started. Coming up with catchy YouTube titles can be harder than filming the video itself. A good title needs to grab attention, explain the value, and fit YouTube style all at once. Canva's magic right helps you brainstorm strong YouTube title ideas quickly and easily. So start by logging into your Canva account, and from the homepage, click Canva AI to access Canva's magic AI tools. Inside Canva AI, you'll see a text box where you can type what you need help with. Now click the dock icon to switch the AI into magic write mode, which is used for generating written content. Now click type, and you'll see different writing categories like blog posts, articles, stories, and emails. To generate YouTube titles, select caption. This helps the AI write short, punchy text that works well for platforms like YouTube. In the text box, describe the type of YouTube title that you're looking for, and clearly state that it's for a YouTube title, describe what the video is about, mention the tone, and specify the length. You can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. An optional step is adding your brand kit. Adding your brand kit helps Magic Write match your channel's voice and style. This is useful if you want your titles to feel consistent across all your videos, whether your brand is educational, playful, bold, or professional. Over time, this consistency helps the viewers recognize your content more easily. And once your prompt is ready, press enter and let Canva's magic write generate your YouTube title ideas. Now click on the response to view your YouTube titles in a clean document-style layout. Canva Magic Write will often provide multiple title ideas, along with helpful tips or a breakdown explaining why the titles work. And if you're happy with the results, you can use the title directly on your YouTube video, test different titles for A and B comparison, adapt the title for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, or use parts of it for thumbnails or video descriptions. And if the titles aren't quite right, you can ask the AI to rewrite them to make them shorter, more clickable, more professional, or more dramatic. Just type in your new instruction into the prompt box and wait for the updated ideas. Canva's Magic Write is a great brainstorming tool for YouTube titles, especially if you want fresh ideas fast. With clear prompts and a little refining, you can create titles that grab attention and encourage more clicks. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.